What is Sangh Parivar? The Sangh Parivar refers as an umbrella term to the collection of Hindu nationalist organizations. The Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh and remain affiliated to it. These include the political party Bharatiya Janata Party, religious organization Vishwa Hindu Parishad, Student Union Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad, and religious militant organization Bajrang Dal that forms youth wing of the Vishwa Hindu Parishad, and the workers union Bharatiya Kisan Sangh. It is also often taken to include allied organizations such as the Shiv Sena, which share the ideology of the RSS. The Sangh Parivar represents the Hindu nationalist movement of India. What is RSS? Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh is a national voluntary organization as an Indian right-wing Hindu nationalist paramilitary voluntary organization. The RSS is the progenitor and leader of a large body of organization called the Sangh Parivar. Sangh Parivar is a family of RSS which have presence in all facets of the Indian society. RSS was founded on 27 September 1925. As of 2014, it has a membership of 5 to 6 million people. RSS was found Kesav Balram Hedgewar and present time chief or Sar Sanchalak is Mohan Bhagwat. RSS motive is unite the Hindu community to form a Hindu Rashtra. Early years. RSS based in Maharashtra and first Shakha was opened in Nagpur. RSS was growth in North India after Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya gave space to RSS in BHU. During the Chinese War of 1962, the RSS provided active help to the civil administration. Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru was impressed with the help extended and allowed the RSS to field a contingent of 100 Swayamsevak in the 1963 Republic Day parade. And 1964 Vishwa Hindu Parishad was launched. VSP was launched because he is protect Hindu community. RSS was political wing launched in 1952 by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee. His name is Bharatiya Jan Sangh. 1980 BJP and Ayodhya movement. 1980 BJP formed out of the Janata Party with major basis from Jan Sangh followers, and VSP to rise voice the Ram Janmabhoomi issue in 1983, and 1986 temple gets opened, and 1989 conducted to Sila Pujan. Philosophy. RSS philosophy is he makes Akhand Bharat and Hindutva and he makes Hindu Rashtra. National flag. The RSS hosted the national flag of India at its Nagpur headquarters only twice on 14 August 1947 and 26 January 1950, but stopped doing so after that. And 2002 hosted national flag started again. Publications. Organizer to print weekly in English, 5 Jan to print in Hindi language and multiple regional language weeklies. Laudable worker. During work, famines, floods, and other natural climates, RSS volunteers are the one of the first to respond and help. Cultural activities, educational institutions work in tribal areas, and the RSS was banned thrice by the post-independence Indian government. First in 1948, when Nathuram Godse, who claimed to have left RSS in 1946 over ideological differences, assassination Mahatma Gandhi, and then during the emergency 1975 to 1977, RSS was banned, and for a third time after the demolition of Babri Masjid in 1992.